Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bately Daily Houseplants. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of October in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, let's start with taking a thickness check. Look at this girl. She is a chunky little monkey. Very, very thick with all of the stickers being added in. I will have to say, now that we are nearing the end of the year, we're almost at the end of November. This is Thanksgiving week that I'm filming this. I have definitely made the decision to take out social media planning from this book. I definitely think she's too thick. And now that I'm back in the office 5 days a week, I just can't carry this back and forth every single day. It's really kind of getting beat up. If you look at when I closed the book, well, the hard clear plastic cover ripped off, I think a month or two ago. But because she's so thick here on the coil, and this is, I replaced the original Plum Paper coil with this gold Erin Condren one just because this one was slightly bigger. It's starting to, see the little like tabs here where you put the cover around the coil? They're starting to peel up because this part of the book is so thick, and the coil, it's really like forcing it to kind of bend this way. I think once I take this cover off, I think the cover is going to be fine. It'll be okay, like on a regular size book. But you can see down here, look, I've even got one of the tabs has torn off just because it's just so thick. There's so much like stickers here from all of the date covers and whatnot. So anywho, let's get back to looking at October. I'm going to flip to the index page. Let me just kind of even the book out so it lays a little flatter. There we go. This was just notes from a parent meeting that I had in September. So starting with the index page, you know I always like to brighten it up a little bit. I just took these little stickers here. These are from the Erin Condren Fall Seasonal Surprise Box. They were the sticker sheet that was enclosed in there. I thought they were cute. I just kind of wanted to put a little deco there. These stickers are interesting because when I first used them, I used them on one of the spreads. They're more of like a washi tape type of paper than like your standard sticker paper that we all get from any of the sticker shops. And so I thought that was kind of interesting, but this was just, I thought, just a nice touch of color here on my index page. Okay, and then flipping into the highlights. So I use the Orange Umbrella Co. kit called Cheerful Autumn for both my highlights and my monthly view. I really didn't achieve anything project-wise. Friends, October is my busiest month of the year for work. I have my largest meeting of the year, so kind of personal projects are put to the wayside. These two quote circle stickers here, I loved them. I thought they matched perfectly with this kit and kind of the color theme of the month in the planner. They are from Doodle Planner. I bought a bunch of sheets of just these circles with different colors and different quotes, and I really liked the Stay Humble, Hustle Hard, and then the Wish Less, Work More. That definitely was what was happening in October. So here I like to just kind of keep a running list of the kits that I use for the month, starting with the monthly and then each of the weeklies. And then my memories, I kind of journaled here, the highlights of the month. My big conference, it was, we converted it from an in-person meeting to a virtual meeting. But I still had to build out like a broadcast studio set. And so I rented space at the nearby hotel. And the day of setup, the night before setup, we had a big storm come through town. I walked into the ballroom. It was a Thursday morning and the ceiling was leaking, like big trash cans everywhere throughout the ballroom. We had to make a quick decision on site to flip our set 180 degrees. It all worked out. Thankfully, there wasn't another group in the other half of the ballroom and I can kind of encroach into some of that space, but it was definitely an exciting event to plan to walk into. So that's kind of exciting. Of course, there's Halloween. My oldest brother's birthday is on Halloween, and Halloween is actually the anniversary of the night I met Scott 23 years ago. So I've always loved October. Just, I love the weather, the time of year. I love Halloween and the trick-or-treating with the kids. So lots of memories for this month. I'm still reading Me After You, which is the sequel to Me Before You. If any of you saw that movie starring Emilia Clarke and Sam Claflin. I love Sam Claflin. He's one of my favorite actors, and so that's a really, I'm still getting through the book. And then I'm listening to podcast-wise The Dropout. So this is a trial that's actually still currently happening in Palo Alto, which is the Bay Area of Northern California. And it's about Elizabeth Holmes and her company Theranos, and just, in my mind, the out-and-out fraud that she committed in terms of getting investors to invest millions of dollars into this medical device that she claimed could do all kinds of blood tests just from the prick of your finger, like how you would test your blood sugars if you were diabetic. So very interesting case currently happening. I'm listening to that podcast. And then TV-wise, on Netflix, I watched Made, a really good series, kind of a mini series, starring Margaret Qualley, I think is how you pronounce it. Anyways, she is the daughter of Andy McDowell, who I love from a lot of the 80s movies. It's a really good series, and they star in it together, which I thought was just fantastic. And then I watched The Guilty and then Squid Games, which is incredibly popular. My brother ended up having a costume party for his birthday, which was Squid Game themed, and they did all kinds of different Squid Games without the killing. So anyways, really fun there. And so these scripts here are from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then this is also from Nicole Hutch Designs, these two here, and then this is from Planner Kate. So going into my monthly spread, again, this is Orange Umbrella Co. Cheerful Autumn Kit. This script here is from Nicole Hutch Designs. These are from Planner Kate. These here, these little holiday here, they're from Fern Creek Stickers, but everything else is from the kit in terms of these functional boxes. This is also from Fern Creek Stickers. So that's kind of our month. You can see we're kind of busy here. Scott and the girls went up to Old Greenwood. I did not go because I ended up needing to be home for my House of Delegates and just working. I had my eye appointment. I finally got new glasses. Super excited about that. We had open house this month, which was awesome. Both of my girls are ambassadors at their school, and it was just amazing watching them give tours to prospective families. They did such a nice job. It's always so great to see your girls kind of separate from yourself, and your kiddos kind of all grown up and speaking about their school and all of that. So it was really, really cute. This is a Planner Kate. I always have when her releases come out. And then this was a duplicate week, so I planned this week in the previous month because more of the days fell in that month. So going into the first week that I planned in October, this gorgeous kit is from Ever Changing Plans. It's called Sherwood, and I love the rich colors in here. So a lot of it is from the kit. This habit tracker here, this is actually from Ever Changing Plans. It's not part of the kit, but it's from Ever Changing Plans. All of this is here from the kit, as well as these little pieces of deco. This staff meeting sticker is also from Ever Changing Plans. The volunteer box here, though, and this volunteer box here, these are from Planner Kate. And then my time stickers, all of my time stickers I've been using lately are from Phoenix Plans. I love having the little time stickers. It's just so much neater than my handwriting. This game sticker is also from Planner Kate here. And let's see, anything else? All of this deco, this is all from the kit. Oh, these scripts here, Costco and Safeway, these are also from Phoenix Plans. I might have done the Safeway as a custom because that's the local grocery store that I shop at. Christine is great at Phoenix Plans. You can always get customs for like whatever grocery store you might want to have, or any sort of phrase or script that you might want to have. She's really good about that. Oh, this cute little girl, this here is a doodle girl from Planner Kate. I did a little bit of journaling here. So, oh, we did go to a retirement party for one of Scott's friends from his squadron, so that was really fun. I got to meet some of the squadron guys. And of course, just writing about how proud I was of my girls and their tours that they gave for open house. So that's week 1. And then week 2, this is a Fern Creek Stickers kit. It's called Fall Leaves. So again, a lot of these things are going to be from the kit. Look at how gorgeous the deco is in here. All these beautiful deco boxes, all the little, I got the extra deco pieces. So I did all these cute little mushrooms all over, all the fall leaves. These to-do scripts here, these are left over from my Ever-Changing Plans kit, and same with these sneakers. I thought they color coordinated well, so I brought them in. This little gold circle here is from Erin Condren, and then this is all from the kit. This habit tracker box, just like the one before and the week before, is from Ever-Changing Plans. And then these scripts here, these are custom from Saia's Planning. I love these. I think they're so cute. She did these for me. Saia lives not too far from me, so it's been kind of fun because we've been able to meet up a couple of times and share our planners. And she actually used my planner, because she doesn't have the hourly from Plum Paper, to do a vertical kit for me. So that was really exciting. This again is from Ever-Changing Plans, and my time stickers, of course, are from Phoenix Plans. But the rest, I think, this is a Planner Kate soccer ball. This soccer game script is from Phoenix Plans. Everything else is pretty much from the kit. This little girl here is a Planner Kate doodle girl. I did some shoe shopping there. And then this errands is from Ever-Changing Plans as well, just left over from a kit. Same with the commissary. This is Phoenix Plans here. This one was definitely a custom she did for me because I do a lot of my grocery shopping at the commissary. So I loved this kit. I really like the way this ended up turning out. Really cute. Okay, so speaking of my friend Saia from Saia Planning, this is the kit that she did. So like I said, we met a couple times at Starbucks here, and she did her measurements. I love how she does these big, bold boxes for the date covers. She does date covers in two ways. So kind of the normal, thinner version that would sit on top of this colored header underneath. And then she also does this big, like, double wide box. And I just loved how bold it was. I love the colors. I love this retro flower. That's the name of the kit. And so she does a horizontal planner. And so when I saw this pattern, I was like, oh, I want that so much. So I just reached out to her. I was like, hey, would you be willing to do that pattern in a vertical hourly kit? And she's like, well, if you send me measurements. And I was like, well, how about we meet and you can just measure my book yourself so you get everything that you need. And so that's what we did, and it was so much fun. So these little to-do stickers here are from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then this little cupcake here is from an Erin Condren, just like a sheet from like the back of a planner. This, of course, is Ever-Changing Plans. And these little doodle girls are from Planner Kate. I thought she was super cute. This is the working girl. And I thought it was cute because this was the weekend of my big conference. And so that's why this is so blank. Like, not a lot filled in because I was so focused on my meeting. We started setting up on Thursday. Like I said earlier, we had meetings going throughout the entire weekend, all the way through Sunday. And then I continued to work into the next week. During this time frame, I worked the last 2 weeks of October straight with no days off. Because I was not walking on like my regular normal morning walks, I just recorded the steps that I took for each day there. Just so I kind of had some record of what I was doing, but tried to do a little bit of lettering here. I love this style of lettering. I'm not good at it yet, friends. I need to practice it, but I'm trying to get better at that. And then, of course, this is another habit tracker sticker from Ever-Changing Plans and my custom scripts from Saia Planning. So love how this turned out. Okay, and then now we're into the final week of October, which is Halloween. This is a Planner Kate kit. It's called Happy Halloween, which is appropriate. Let's see. So these little stickers across the top here, these scallops, that's part of the kit. But the Today sticker, the script, that is from Ever-Changing Plans. The edit and upload is from Fern Creek Stickers. And then these cute little spider webs, these are from Orange Umbrella Co. I had bought a sheet of these last year and I still had a bunch left. And same with this boo. So I was like, oh, I can use these for the next several Halloweens. Again, here we have the Ever-Changing Plans. Actually, I don't think this is from Ever-Changing Plans. This one came with the kit because I bought the sheet that had this sticker and this one on it. And so this is actually part of the add-ons for Planner Kate, but my scripts, of course, are from Saia Planning. This little guy, and this little guy, and this one here, these are all from a freebie that I got from Fern Creek Stickers from one of the PR team members. This Family Time is from Chrissy Ann Designs. And then this football, I believe this football is also from one of the freebies. And then of course timestamps from Phoenix Plans, as well as these little scripts here. Commissary again is a custom, and then Target as well. And then let's see, I think this Budget Time, then Film, these are from Fern Creek Stickers. Trick or Treat, this is also from Orange Umbrella Co. I love this Happy Halloween. I thought this was so cute with the spider and then these little spiders tying in. So not a lot of walking happened in this week because, again, I was just still in recovery from my big conference the week before and still working all the way through straight. But because there wasn't a ton necessarily going on, a lot of people take off after the big meeting, I filled in with all of the great decorative boxes. Okay, and then going into my monthly cleaning, this is washi from Planner Kate. It's called There's Hope, and it was from Kit 309. This little doodle girl here is also from Planner Kate. And then these functional boxes, these are from Planner Kate. This is CLR3 in the plum color. It's color number 18. I love these boxes. As you saw, I like to use just sort of these basic labels in my monthly as well as like in my cleaning, and then you'll see them again come back in my social media. So all of these scripts are made by Phoenix Plans, and they're all on her Etsy shop. So she basically customized them to kind of work with the Clean Mama routine. And so I love stocking up on these and using all of these for each week. I did pretty good, even though I was super busy. Like this week was the week of my big conference, so kind of didn't get everything done there. But I did pretty good. Just like I said, the dailies, I usually try to get done every single day. I'm really, really good about those. The rotating and the monthly focus tasks, I really didn't get to. The laundry area though, I had already kind of did a cleanup of that earlier in the summer. And so I did just kind of tidy it up a little bit, but it didn't really need a lot of work. And then these sweet little girls are Stick Babes from the Happy Planner Essentials book. And then going into my social media planning, of course, this monthly spread is from an old Erin Condren planner that I decided not to use. And so I inserted it into my Plum Paper planner. This wide washi up here is actually from the Chrissy Ann Designs book that is available at Michael's. The October script here is from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then these days of the week are from Fern Creek Stickers. The date covers, these little date dots, so to speak, these are left over from an Ever-Changing Plans kit that I think I used last December, and I don't use the dates, and so I just saved those and used them here. And then of course you'll see the functional plain labels here are from Planner Kate. Again, that's the CLR3 in the plum color. And then the social media script and these two little icons here, these are from Big Elephant Plans. So I did see a little bit of growth, and I'm really excited about that, friends. Thank you so much for your friendship and support. It's been, I always say this, it's so fun doing this. So I'll keep going if you want to keep watching. Anyways, I did pretty good. Even though it was super busy this month, I did try to get something posted on Instagram as much as I could. I try to do something every day. I don't always get to that. As you can see, I've got a couple of blank days here, but I did pretty good, all things considered. So that's sort of the monthly view. And then over here, this is a add-on page. It's the to-do list add-on page in Plum Paper. These two scripts are from Big Elephant Plans, and then this little laptop here is from Planner Kate. And then here's where I just like to do a checklist. I list off my videos. I put a little grid here with film, edit, upload, thumbnail, and then the live date. And so I just check mark when I've gotten everything done and when it's posted. And then down here, I just have my content ideas. I'm planning to do a sticker reorganization, actually, kind of video as we go into the new year. I just got some new sticker albums from Fern Creek Stickers. I was kind of waiting on those, and now I kind of have all of the pieces that I kind of wanted, like all the different albums, so that I can try to figure out how I want to organize my stickers as we go into 2022. Can you believe that, friends? So just blank page back here. I didn't need it for extra notes or anything like that, but that's pretty much it. That is my October in a nutshell. So, wow, it's October, friends. Actually, it's actually November. I'm filming this during Thanksgiving, as I mentioned, so can't believe the year is coming to an end. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.